Welcome back to Instant Pot Love. Tonight, pierogies with kielbasa sausage. So it's Jenna here, and I, as you can see, have some kielbasa and some red onion, and I'm just going to saute that up in my Instant Pot. Okay, so what I did is I sauteed the kielbasa and the onions up a bit until the onions were translucent. Added about a cup of chicken stock, and I deglazed the bottom, and now I'm going to just add the pierogies right on top. These are just store-bought, frozen pierogies. Now I added the frozen pierogies on top, sprinkled some little chunks of butter and some seasoning salt, and put that on. And we're going to set that to steam for 2 minutes. See you soon. They look dreamy. These are perfect pierogies. They're like little pillows of dreamy potato and cheese. The kielbasa was on the bottom, so I scooped out the potatoes and then picked up the onions and kielbasa on the bottom, spoon it over. Don't need to fry them, don't need to put them in the oven. They're just perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Instant Pot Love, and you can find us on Facebook at Instant Pot Lovers and Learners.